Are you a web designer that wants to show off your work? Of course you are. We all want to show off our work on our website, and we just developed a plugin that I think is going to help you do the job. Shout out to Abby Bacon, the lead developer on this. So this one is called the Website Showcase, and what it allows you to do is showcase the websites you've built really easily on your website through a modal, a pop-up right here. And what's really nice is it pulls in the exact website. So this isn't a screenshot or anything like that. You don't have to fiddle with that. All you do is add the link to the website that you built, and it'll pop up right here, right in the view, and this keeps the visitors on your website. We also have different views as well. If you're playing around on our demo website, you can go to the modal layout and then details view. And let's click on one of these. We'll go to Ian Jones, and you see we have the website here, then the title and the description from our list section over here on the right. So you can give a little more context to the user, maybe about what this project entailed for you. And the setup for this is a cinch. Once you purchase, you'll get access to the installation page. It'll have a couple scripts and links for you to paste on your website just so you can use this. And then once you do, we use a list section. So this is just a list section right here. And if we look at our content, right, go to our content, we have just the items we want. You can add in just a screenshot of the home page or something, and then down here in the button, add the link to the actual website. And that is what gets pulled in to our iframe right here. So you can play around with the different layouts too. Right now we're in the carousel layout, but we can go to edit content, and we'll change our layout design to maybe simple list. And now these are a simple list, and they pop up as a simple list in our list section. It also looks great on mobile. We can test it right here. Open one up, and you see we got this nice big modal. If we're in the design view, the details view, which we are, we'll have the details down here. And we also have the whole website that we can check out as well. And then, of course, we also have the external link button right here. So you can just go to that page in a new window if you would like. So that's how our plugin works. Let us know if you have any questions, run into any issues. We have great support. So let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Would love to see this out in the wild. Let me know if you end up getting this plugin and using it somewhere. Take it easy.